Hello, art students. Miss Russ here, and she is going to do your demo today because Miss Russ can't be there in person. So first, you've already done your art magic. So if you haven't done your art magic, go do that first because you're not allowed to use any art supplies until your art magic is done. Second, you're going to do this video with me. And then third, you're going to plan on what you're working on today. Once all three of those pieces are done, you will take them to your teacher and show them to your teacher. And that is how you will get access to your learning supplies today. Okay, so getting us started. Oh, Mr. Russ, you gotta find what you're wanting to share. Okay. All right, so we'll scooch me over. I think you can see me, hopefully. Who knows? We're going with the Zoom. We're trying to figure it out. You right now are on page 26. That's with a 2 and a 6. Sorry, Miss Russ is looking to the side because that's where my thing is. Okay, and on page 26, we're working in this box right here. Rather than making our plan right now today, just because there's a sub, we're going to do something a little different. So instead, in this box with a color pencil, so if you do not have one, go get one. Otherwise, pause it, go get yourself one. You need to draw out a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle. Once you've drawn out a rectangle, here is the tricky bits. We are going to go and make triangles. So we're going to go from corner to here. And then we're going to go up. So I'm kind of thinking like triangle. Okay, and now I want to make another triangle going this way. So I'm going to make it out this way. And then I'm going to make another triangle going this way. And they won't perfectly line up. And that's fine. Okay, once I have my dots, and I'm going to draw it out. Boom, to boom, to boom, to boom, to boom. Okay, however it fits. Okay, once I have something that looks like this, then we are going to take, we've been learning about that shading. And if you want to practice one now, you can, where we push down and then slowly, 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 we let up. Okay, the hardest part of this is going to be right now. I want you to take your pencil, set it down, and do not touch it during the first part of this demo. You're going to want to touch it. You're going to see me shading, and you're going to want to shade too. Oh, don't do it. Okay, with your pencil down. I have to pick mine up because I'm the one demoing. Your pencil is down. Your pencil stays down. Your pencil stays down. Okay, your pencil is down. I have to shade so that the lightest part is in the center of all of these. Okay, and so my job is I'm going to push down, and then I have to go to that center point to nothing. Push down, gotta go sideways to nothing. Push down, go sideways to nothing. Okay, now remember, once I get one side done, I have to take my whole sketchbook and I have to tilt it. Oh, don't touch your pencil. You're gonna be tempted. Okay, down to nothing. Down. Do not touch that pencil, just watch. This is harder than you think it should be. Trust me, watching me will make your life easier. I'm pushing down, and then I slowly let up my pressure. Okay, another turn, because 3 sides means 3 turns. Down, let up, down, let up, down, let up. Okay, because we are working on an optical illusion. Now, watch, 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 watch. You're going to be tempted to touch your pencil. Don't do it. Okay, now I got to go to here. I'm going to push down. And to nothing. Watch me. To nothing. It's so tempting to touch that pencil. Don't do it. Don't do it. Trust me, taking time to watch someone will make this so less stressful. Then I take my paper and I turn it. I'm about to tell you to touch your pencil, but not yet. You are still watching. Push down, let up. Push down, let up. Okay? Now, oh, no, not yet. You're so close. You're so close. You're so close. Okay? Now we're going to go this way. Down. Down. Now what you're going to start to notice is that, see, I'm getting this like 3D effect going on, even though the color is the exact same. Okay, now you can go ahead and pick up your pencil and give it a try. Now, I'm going to keep going because you might find that once you start trying, you need to go back a minute and watch me because maybe you forgot that you got to put those dots down so you have a place to head to. Maybe you forgot that you have to turn your paper. Maybe you are struggling with the pressure and you want to watch Miss Russ change the pressure. Or maybe, like Miss Russ here, you have a bad set. You go too much and you want to watch how I add a little bit more color to help make sure we transition. Or maybe you forget to go sideways as you get to the corners. Take your time, go really slow. Grant yourself grace as you're learning something new. I'm going to ask that you work the whole time during this whole video. You guys will not be expected to finish all yours, but I want you to try this whole time. Oh, Miss Russ, you forgot to turn your own paper. We're still trying. We're just taking our time. We're not worried if it's perfect. This is in our sketchbook. Okay, now this is tricky sauce. The easiest way to do these edge pieces is to not worry about trying to make it like it would be if it was going off the paper. Instead, we'll just do the same thing. Push down, head to the center. Okay, while you guys are still practicing, Miss Russ is going to give you some of your announcements for today. So what you are going to do in this box here is you are going to plan what you want to do today. Whether you are needing to do Art Sonia, whether you are someone that is needing to glaze, if you need to start something new, it all needs to get written out or planned out right here in this box. Now I do have a little trick. If you're like, ooh, Miss Russ, I kind of like where we're heading here and I like this MC Escher stuff. Miss Russ has these tracers that you can use. And so what you can do is you can take a shape, like let's say I took the rectangle shape, and there's tracers, so look on the cart and you'll find them. And you can trace the same shape over and over, right? And then you can even offset it by 1. So pretend these are all the same shape, when they're not quite. I could either try this shading and I could switch out color. Like maybe one section is red, maybe I make a pattern, maybe I do them each different. Maybe I don't want to do different colors with shading. Maybe I just want to color them all one piece. That is how you can kind of start that tessellation process that we learned about in our Art Magic with MC Escher. So if you're wondering about how to start a new art piece, that is definite, like this is a favorite. The tessellation one's a favorite. We'll get into how to do harder ones, but we'll start with a very simple one. With that, happy creating. When you are done with this video, you are going to go to the teacher. You are going to make a line and you are going to be ready to do a toggle flip. You're going to have your thumb already geared up for wherever your art magic is. And you're going to go to the teacher and you're going to go, here's my art magic. And then you're going to toggle and you're going to go, here's my examples. And here's my plan. And they're going to go, great, go get started. All right, happy art creating. Bye, guys.